Hi folks, this is episode 17 of my 18 Marketing Tips in 18 Days series, where I present a piece of knowledge that's not so well known, but has a hugely powerful effect on consumer behavior. So in this episode, I want to talk about this idea that emotions cause behavior. It's actually a myth. So what do emotions do then? What's the purpose of emotions? Well, it seems likely that emotions are there to help us record memories. If we have an experience in our lives that evokes strong emotions, it's more likely we'll remember that than if we have an experience that didn't really cause too much emotions. It's more likely to be forgotten. So it's not really a pure marketing tip, it's more psychology, but it's still very relevant for consumer behavior. One thing that we've talked about in previous episodes is this idea that we really need to imprint strong brand associations in the minds of our consumers. The best way that we know how to do that is by creating emotional experiences for them. So creating emotional experiences is hugely important for marketers, particularly in the future as we shift emphasis from brand recognition to brand recall. We need a way to imprint strong brand associations in the minds of our consumers. So that's today's episode, debunking the emotion causes behavior myth. Thanks for watching. See you next time.